Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. The Shortlink button creates a shortlink which is useful and easy to share in your emails, Facebook messages, etc. And so in this video tutorial, you will learn how to restore the shortlink button in WordPress. As you can see that there is no option or button to get a shortlink. So I want to restore that shortlink button of my WordPress post which was available in earlier versions of WordPress. So for this, go to your WordPress dashboard, hover onto Appearance and click on Theme Editor. Now first you have to select the theme in which you are going to make changes. Schema by My Theme Shop is the one in my case. Then click on Theme Functions on the right hand side and scroll down. Now here you have to enter a small piece of code. Before entering the custom function code, make sure you have a recent backup of your website so that if anything goes wrong, you can restore it later using your own backup. So I'm adding this code to your description, so you can also copy it from there. So copy this code and paste it at the functions PHP file. Now this code will add a shortlink button. So click on update once you have added this code and the file is edited successfully now. As you can see that the button was not displayed here earlier. Now let's refresh to see if it's available or not now. As you can see that now this get shortlink button near the title of the post is available. Now instead of copying the complete link, you can just copy the URL from this shortlink button and share easily on your social media networks or even in text messages. So that's how easy it is to add the shortlink button to your WordPress posts.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.